Hey yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Mishak and I'm back at it again with another video. And today boys and girls, y'all finna learn how to get 360 waves. So let's not waste any more time and let's get right into it.
I'ma fuck up my life. I'ma fuck up my life. We gon' party all night. She don't care if I die.
Alright guys, before we get started, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description box below. And if you haven't checked out my last video, I did a Q&A. Y'all can go check that out too. It will be in the description box below. Alright guys, what you guys are gonna need to get waves is a brush. You guys are gonna need, to be specific, y'all gonna need a medium, a soft, and a hard brush. These three brushes, right, they fulfill three different purposes. So that's why you're gonna need three different brushes, right? So when it comes to how long you should brush your hair, honestly, that's all up to you, you know what I'm saying? You could brush for as long as you want to brush. However, whenever you want to brush, whenever you feel like brushing, that's how long you're gonna brush. Because I can't tell you to go brush for 2 hours, 1 hour. You ain't gonna go do that. Y'all have a life, you know what I'm saying? So it all comes down to going at your own pace. Because like, this ain't no race, fam. You gotta go at your own pace. So what I recommend is for you to go brush at least 30 to 35 minutes a day. That's gonna get you your progress really quick. When I first started, I was brushing heavy. I was brushing at least an hour a day. I know when I got my cousin into waves, he was brushing for like the whole day. I don't know how he did it, but he was brushing for the whole day. So basically, it's all about going at your own pace. You could brush for 5 minutes, you could brush for 15 minutes. It's all about going at your own pace. Like, it all depends on you and how long you want to brush. Alright guys, the next thing you're gonna need is hair products. Now the hair products that wavers normally use are pomades, oils, butters, whatever type of hair products that's gonna, give you hold in your hair, that's really just gonna hold your hair together, moisturize your hair, and keep it healthy and shiny throughout the day. So honestly, you could get whatever type of products you have. Like in the beginning, you don't need to go all out on on products. You could just, whatever you have at home, you could use. And I'm gonna link a few products down below. I'm gonna link them in the description box. And whatever type of products that I used, and that will really get you started off, with getting your waves. Like, really, waves is not about the products, guys. Let me just tell you that right now. Waves is not about the products, right? So you can put in all the wave products in your hair and not brush. You will not get any waves, bro. Like, I even gonna hold you. Like, you ain't gonna get any waves. So yeah, don't just get that out of your head. Waves is about brushing your hair, not only about the products. Yes, the products play a big role, but it's not gonna get you your waves without brushing. Alright guys, so when it comes to washing your hair, you're gonna wanna have to wash your hair at least 2 to 3 times a week, because like, you gotta keep your hair clean, yo. Like, your hair cannot be dirty, because that's just nasty, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta have to clean your hair at least 2 to 3 times a week. Personally, I clean my hair at 1 to 2 times a week. It depends on how your hair works, because like, not everyone's hair is different. So yeah, I'm gonna do a whole tutorial on how to wash your hair properly, how to get it nice and silky, shiny, all that type of good stuff, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's all about it for washing your hair. Just any type of simple shampoos, with non-sulfate shampoos, all natural stuff. You don't want none of that shit in your hair, bro. Alright guys, so the last thing you're gonna need is a mirror, a handheld mirror, to check what you're doing in the bathroom when you're brushing your hair, to get your angles right, to get your angles right when you brush. And a do-rag. Now guys, I cannot stress this enough, a do-rag is important, because wearing a do-rag is what helps laying your hair down, you know what I'm saying? And wearing a do-rag trains your hair, to lay down, to get that laying down effect, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta wear your do-rag every night before you go to sleep. You cannot go to sleep without a do-rag, especially as a beginner. Like, if you don't sleep without your do-rag, you're gonna mess up your waves heavy. I cannot tell you how many times I've slept without my durag and it literally messes up my hair. So make sure you go to bed with the durag on, and yeah, you'll be good, bro. Trust me, you'll be good. Alright guys, when it comes to getting haircuts, right? So when you first start off, you know, you want to get yourself a low cut. I'm not going to tell you which specific cut, because like if you have hair like me, like cross hair, you want to get like a 2 with the grain, like a 2, like a really low cut. It's a 2, you know what I'm saying? You're going to cut your hair down to a 2. That's about your curl length, so you can start brushing your hair. Alright guys, when you start after that cut, you're going to start brushing your hair, whatever. So you're going to brush your hair for like 4 to 6 weeks without getting a haircut at all. So on that 6th week, right, when you go get a haircut at your barber, you're gonna want to get a 1.5 with the grain. The 1.5 is the size of the guard, you know what I'm saying? And with the grain is basically just cutting your hair like forwards, not going backwards, but like forwards, you know what I'm saying? Like going with the flow of your wave. So when you get a haircut, you want to make sure you get a taper. Or if you don't want to get a taper, just like get a lineup or whatever. But I recommend getting a taper if you're doing 360 waves. If you got 180s and a fade. That's about it for getting haircuts. Like, alright guys, that's about it for this video. If y'all caught my vibe, you know what I'm saying, if y'all enjoyed the video, if you guys found this video anyway informative, then go ahead and smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, ring that bell to get notified every time I post. And yeah,
Watch me shine. I smell the money, but you know I gotta get it. Watch me shine. Top shot, don't drip, I ain't playing. Watch me shine. Ice dripping, yeah, you know I gotta kill it big. Watch me shine. Real nigga, that's what's up. I be prodigy. A lot of niggas out here probably follow me, and if you hate it, just know it probably mean nothing to me. Pushing my dreams and niggas out here was sipping lame. And let's be honest, ain't nobody trying to keep it clean. I got my mindset, but I gotta get the bag. I take what's lifted and then I put it in the fatty.